Today we're exploring the exceptional features of the Sweeby Foldable Baby Playpen, a versatile play yard designed for both babies and toddlers. This extra-large playpen, measuring 79 by 71 inches, offers a spacious environment for your little one to explore and play, accommodating all their favorite toys and even a family gathering. One standout feature is its lockable gate, providing easy access for parents, especially those with mobility challenges, while ensuring your child's safety. The foldable design makes it incredibly convenient to store and transport, and its adjustable joints allow you to customize the shape to fit your home perfectly. With a 360-degree view and a height of 27 inches, you can keep an eye on your child at all times, while the sturdy construction meets all safety standards, ensuring a non-toxic and BPA-free environment. The included removable mat adds an extra layer of comfort, making this playpen not just a space saver but a must-have for every parent. So, if you're looking for a high-quality, spacious, and safe play area for your child, the Sweeby Foldable Baby Playpen is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.